Hi, John Kavakis here from My Take, and today I want to give you the final order date on the NABCC club car. Now, if you haven't heard about it, it's our first club car. It's going to be a winner. It's Brooklyn's 1956 Buick Century. This will be a two-door convertible with a top-up or top-down feature. You get both of them there, display it any way you like. It'll be Dover white over Seminole red. Two-tone interior. It's going to be an absolutely stunning car, and Brooklyn has already started working on it. They've asked us to bring orders to a close by the middle of this month, so if you haven't ordered yet, you're going to want to get your order in. So we're juiced the deal a little bit. I don't know if you saw this or not, but we're including with each car ordered a NABCC lamppost sign, a beautiful done up in blue and gold, NABCC logo on one side, convertible on the other side, stands on its own. It's made out of white metal. That's just a bonus for ordering one of the cars. Now, the cars are $195 each. If you buy a second or more, they're $165 each for additional ones. Shipping in the USA is going to be $12 or so, maybe a little bit more in Canada. Many people have contacted us from Europe and from the UK and asked about shipping, whether or not we're going to ship them over here and ship them back. No, we're not going to do that. Brooklyn has agreed to ship directly from the factory. You'll be able to pay their shipping costs directly to him. So if you want to order one of the models, you've got to be a club member. Club membership dues are $20 or so. You can contact Brian Vale regarding being a club member. You can send your dues to Wood Foss. Let me give you his address. It's Wood Foss, F-O-S-S. Attention Treasurer NABCC, 16 Bradford Avenue, Newport, Rhode Island, 02840. 02840. Now, you can send him a check, you can arrange to do by PayPal, whatever you like to do there, but you got to be a club member if you want one of the cars. So, let me just mention this. We made an announcement just the day before yesterday that if you're coming to the November 19th and 20th event at the NB Center, you'll be able to pick up your car. Now, if you can't make it to the event, we'll send you the car, don't worry about it, but you're going to want to come because amongst all the other things we're doing, Brooklyn has just offered to give us a free model car for everybody that attends the event on November 19th and 20th in Allentown, Pennsylvania. So you got to get two models for the price of one. It's a great model car. You got to be a member to order it. We're going to shut off orders by the middle of the month or so Brooklyn can make it. They've already started making it. I've got a picture of the windshield right here, and they've promised us that they're going all out on this one. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about everything that's going on with the NABCC. I hope you are too. This is my take on the NABCC inaugural club car. I'll be back again to talk to you real soon.